Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday, the 10th of August. We made it. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Coming from PowerADD Direct. Oh boy. We got a big old box today. It's pretty heavy, so we shall see what's inside. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out and see what other items they have to offer besides this. There's a cut, and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this shipped to you in no time. But definitely excited for the weekend now. It's Friday. Time to relax a little bit. So here we go. Oh boy, what is this? What are you? There we go. Alright, PowerADD. Oh, sweet. This is a smart body fat scale. PowerADD smart scale. ITO technology for body weight, body fat, all that good stuff. So let's see what this thing looks like, shall we? Here's a nice little box. PowerADD. Oh boy. Alrighty, this will be an interesting one. I got a QR scanner down below. So you probably need an app for Android, Apple. Alright, there it is. Open. Oh, this is light. Batteries. Oh, jeez. We got batteries. Manual. We don't need. Well, maybe because of the QR scan. Got AAA, so you guys might want to stack up on some AAA batteries also. There we go. Ooh, look at this fancy one. Really nice color. PowerADD. Does light up. It's got to put the batteries in and all that stuff. So really cool. And let's see what else. The bottom. So be careful with it. Crack it gently. 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 Alright. Slide down. Pretty simple. Left. Oh man. There we go. Boom. We don't need this. Oh. There we go. Batteries rolling in there. I think I got my other phone with me too, so we could try it out. Install the app and stuff. Show you guys how to do it. There we go. Almost there. Almost there. Alright, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, and number 4. Where is the lid? Put the lid on. Locked in. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you guys saw it. Has a nice little glow to it. I'm gonna shut my light off. Hold on one sec. Alright, let's see if this helps. Or maybe put something on it so I can at least weigh it down. Put this thing on it. It did work. Let's see what the directions say. Yep. I'll grab my app. Alright. Of course. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the there's a QR for the App Store, for the Apple Store. and Google Play. So I'm gonna scan the Google Play once I pull up.
Okay, Skank and Sweet by Cronix. Here it is on YouTube.
No. What the heck was that? That was weird. Shoot. Come on. 2 seconds. Here we go. I'm gonna open. Oh no. Here we go. It's waiting for load. There's a iWellness 3.0. It's going to be called once you scan the QR. And of course it'll download. I think my internet's going good today, so it should be alright in a second. Oh, battery's dying. Come on. Alright, it's done downloading. Sent. It's going to open up in a second. Any second. So you guys can see just in case. Come on. There we go. Open. There we go. You put your name in it, birthday, and all that good stuff. This is going to be a demo phone, so don't really matter. I'll just rescan it on my Galaxy 9 Plus. There we go. There we go. See? Call it George. And put the info in, save. Set. 200. Then it's going to go like this. I don't want to show the Wi-Fi. You got to turn your Bluetooth on, so that's a good thing. Let's see if it picks up. Yes, it's on. I don't think there's any switches on it. Oh, there it goes, 80%. Oops. There we go. There's 100. Hopefully I got enough battery, 5%, GEEK. 22, 24. So this is gonna be cool once it starts up. Definitely like the color, the white pearl. Come on. It's gonna do it any second. What the heck? I know it's on. What? Maybe battery popped out. No. There it goes. It's lining up now. There we go. Hopefully it picked it up. Oh, come on, man. Oh, there we go. Come on. 4% left. Eek. Oh no, where'd they go? I like the LED. Nice glow to it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it now. Oh man. Maybe there's an easier way of doing this, but try it out. Moving though. Bottom left corner. Don't shut off. Why is this not working? Yes, device is turned on. Alright, last time. It's a long video. Sorry about that. But, I mean, I guess. Oh, there it goes. It's flashing this time. Alright, device paired. We saw it. So I confirm that's a good thing. So now I can let go. Watch is going to unpair it. Hopefully it doesn't do that. Hopefully it's a nice one. There we go. Still got enough juice. But it got it in, so. My hands are killing. Hold on. Come on. Oh, maybe I do have to turn that again. There it goes. Come on, Bluetooth. Settings. Alright, where is it called? Health scale. There we go. It is pairing it up. Alright, there you go. So pretty much it's So all you gotta do is pair it up and boom. Man. It'll show your weight loss and everything. So there you go, YouTubers. PowerADD, Smart Scale. Check them out. Link is gonna be down below. You guys have a good weekend and be safe. See ya.